Since 1987, Gelare cafes have been providing the public with their unique products. Our family-friendly cafes have freshly baked waffles and pancakes to order, low-fat frozen yogurts, real fruit smoothies, gourmet coffees, light breakfast, and of course, world-class silky smooth Gelare ice cream. So, what makes Gelare Super Premium Ice Cream so special? For starters, Gelare is not fluffed with air. In fact, it has almost no air pumped into it. This gives Gelare its rich texture and flavour of homemade ice cream. And there are no artificial flavours, colours or preservatives. Gelare also offers a delicious selection of organic vegan ice creams that are dairy, egg and soy free and 100% lactose friendly. Our commitment to serving high-quality desserts using only the finest natural ingredients has made Gelare one of Australia's most popular franchises, with franchise opportunities available not only in Australia, but throughout the world. If you're looking for some all-natural goodness, visit a Gelare cafe today and treat yourself.